Tired of manually entering leads from your WordPress site into Zoho CRM? Let's fix that. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to integrate Zoho CRM with WordPress, streamlining your lead generation and boosting your sales. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard. Click on Plugins and then Add New in the search bar. Type Zoho CRM. Look for the official Zoho CRM plugin. It should be by Zoho Corporation. Click Install Now and then Activate. Once activated, find the Zoho CRM plugin in your installed plugins list and click on Settings. Now, you'll need to connect your Zoho CRM account. Click the Authenticate button. This will redirect you to Zoho CRM where you will need to allow access. Click Accept to grant WordPress access to your Zoho CRM account. You'll then be redirected back to your WordPress site. Now you can create lead capture forms. The plugin usually provides options for creating and customizing forms directly within WordPress. You can easily map these form fields to the corresponding fields in your Zoho CRM. This ensures that every new lead from your website automatically flows into your CRM. You can also explore embedding Zoho CRM Web Forms directly using their provided code snippets. For more advanced integrations, consider using Zapier to automate workflows between WordPress and Zoho CRM. That's it. Now you have successfully integrated Zoho CRM and WordPress. Now you can centralize your lead generation.